Here I have OPPO A77s, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So firstly you should tap on this arrow key, then select preferred language. I'll stay with English. Then you select your region, could be Austria for me. Then you have to agree with user agreement and user privacy, security and protection. Tap next. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also skip this step for now and do this anytime later. Then you have Google services. I suggest you to disable them and tap accept here. Then you can set up screen protection, but you can also skip this step and do this later. In settings, you can just set up like screen lock, like fingerprint, face unlock, or just normal pattern or pin. Or you can just do this later in settings, don't do this at all if you don't need any protection. Then you have to select navigation method. I suggest you to use gestures, not these old-fashioned buttons. Then you can enable auto update overnight feature if you want to, but if you don't want to, you can just forget about it and tap done, and your device is ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.